Get ready for an extreme chopped showdown.
I dare any chef to take me down.
I am unstoppable.
Victory is just my style.
16 returning champions. 5 grueling battles.
So glad that just happened.
Only one chef left standing in the end.
You gotta get through me first, homeboy.
I'm shaking so bad.
Who will take the tournament and the $50,000 prize? And who
I want it so bad.
will
I'm the best chef here.
be chopped? These 4 elite repeat winners have muscled their way all the way to the $50,000 Chopped Champions Grand Finale. Wade Birch, Alan Harding, Danielle Saunders, Lauren Gary. Question is, with this powerhouse of brains and brawn at work, who will conquer all? You know the rules, chefs. They remain the same. 3 rounds, mandatory mystery ingredients. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. On the other hand, if you win, we'll write you a check for $50,000, and you'll have a victory to brag about for years to come. Please open your baskets. And the first $50,000 championship mystery ingredients are catfish, daikon radish, cherry soda, and boiled peanuts. 20 minutes for the appetizer course. Time starts now.
Behind you.
I'm making a Cajun dusted catfish. I grab chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder. I just kind of dredge the fish and fry it until golden brown. 50 grand's a lot of money. I'm in the process of opening a restaurant, and I took a huge pay cut to do that. So I'm not in a position to lose right now.
I'm making cornmeal fried catfish because I want this flaky, delicate fish to have a crispy crunch. I'm thinking make these judges fried catfish like they've never had.
I'm gonna make a coconut poached catfish. It's gonna keep the fish really, really tender. I'm familiar with the spiciness of the daikon radish. And when I pair it with the crisp sweetness of the green apple, it'll be a really well-rounded dish.
I'm competing against chefs that have won numerous competitions already. Coming true. I'm looking at this giant daikon. I immediately think to myself, banh mi salad, the classic Vietnamese salad of julienne daikon, carrot, cucumber, fresh mint, cilantro with some chilies and lime juice. I grab the boiling pot of water and I use that to put some heat onto it and hope for the best.
30 seconds, chefs.
My fish is looking perfect. I am the best chef here today, and I know it without a doubt.
Send the right message with this appetizer or the judges will send you on your way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Lauren.
Today, you have coconut poached catfish with a tahini boiled peanut and coconut milk sauce.
Chef Danielle.
Today, I've prepared for you a fried catfish salad alongside a citrus and cherry vinaigrette and Cajun peanuts.
Chef Allen.
What I've prepared today is spice-crusted catfish on a banh mi salad with a peanut curry vinaigrette.
And we go to Chef Wade.
What I've made for you today is cornmeal fried catfish with a daikon and green apple salad with a cherry soda boiled peanut hot mayonnaise.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Allen, you've been chopped. Chef Lauren, Chef Danielle, Chef Wade, pinch yourselves. You're still here, still fighting for 50 grand. Please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are kettle corn, chayote, applesauce, and roasted suckling pig. 30 minutes for your entree round. Time starts now.
My pulled pork is world-renowned. I'm gonna make a barbecue sauce. You have to have ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire, Tabasco, molasses, maple syrup.
I'm gonna make suckling pig and chayote ravioli.
I'm gonna do an adaptation of chilaquiles. Chilaquiles are tortilla chips that are soaked in a wonderful sauce and used with cheese and salsa and meat.
1 minute.
Behind.
These chefs can smell victory. $50,000 is that much closer. The killer instinct has completely come to the forefront.
I always have chilaquiles with tequila. I want to give them a $50,000 plate. It needs tequila.
Would hate to see a champion fall for not getting everything on the plate, chefs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, chefs. Please step back. Chef Danielle.
I prepared for you a suckling pig and chayote ravioli.
Next up, Chef Wade.
What I've made for you is a great pulled pork sandwich. I made a latke instead of bread, a red wine applesauce reduction, and a chayote pickle.
Chef Lauren.
I have done pulled pork chilaquiles with an apple and jalapeno sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Wade, you've been chopped. Chef Danielle, Chef Lauren, you stand here poised to win $50,000 if you can figure out an irresistible dessert with whatever is in those baskets. Please open them up. And you must use araucana eggs, bread flour, turbinado sugar, and goat's milk. There are 30 minutes on the clock for dessert. Time starts now.
I'm thinking like a buttermilk spoon cake.
So I'd go really out of the box and do a really elaborate cornmeal parfait. I start steeping the goat's milk with tarragon.
The cakes are looking exactly how I expected them to. And literally, I went to go pick one up and it slid right out.
Final seconds of the final round of this $50,000 grand finale tournament. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. That's it.
And that is how women throw down in Chop Champion.
You rock, girl. Looking at Lauren's dish, she's made some sort of parfait. It looks amazing, but I think baking is definitely the way to go when you want to impress the judges.
Power to you, girl. I know how hard it is to do a cake. I did a cake. My cake was better.
Chef Lauren?
Before you, you have a tarragon goat's milk cornmeal parfait with candied almonds and a fennel turbinado fried araucana egg yolk.
Last dessert, Chef Danielle.
Today, I prepared for you a home-style spoon cake with a rum-spiked berry sauce alongside a mascarpone cream.
The two of you made it through every round of this cutthroat tournament. But only one of you has earned the victory. So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Lauren, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Danielle Saunders, that you are the chopped grand champion.
Thank you.
And that check for $50,000 is yours.
I'm just humbled. I thank you so much.
You don't have to thank us. You did it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Whoa. You must be the family. Wednesday?